Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Come test drive the 2024 YUKON XL. GMC YUKON XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, chrome wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, air suspension, engine block heater, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, lane departure warning. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.
9 convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.